Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful hairstyle. So get your comb, get your spray, get everything you need today. I'm going to section the hair. So we are taking 2 sections from each side, one from the left and one from the right. We are just going to tuck this away. Now the middle one, we are just going to comb it straight to the back. So like what I'm doing now, so you have to stand at the back, so comb everything towards you. So just comb. We are using a L'Oreal hairspray today, so just spray it. When you spray, just comb it. Make sure everything is well combed. So just watch what I'm doing now. So when I'm done, I'm just going to get my band and I'm just going to pin it into place. Now that our ponytail is done, so we are just going to take it up like that, what I'm doing now. So I want you to do it along with me like this. So now just comb it. I'm going to just twist it and just take it and secure it on top so that we walk on the back. I'm just going to be using my padding, so get your padding. We are not using too big, so depending on what you are doing, so just get the padding and just pin it into place, just like so. And we are going to repeat it on the other side as well. If you are just meeting for the first time, my name is Chris Bex and welcome to the channel. I am a bridal hairstylist in London. This is my job, this is what I do. Just to be transparent, if you ask me why do I share my work on YouTube, I share my work on YouTube just in case maybe one day you might decide to book me, or maybe you want to improve on your learning. You're like, oh, I know Chris can style. That's one of the reasons I share my work on YouTube. So now the bun is done. Just take your band and just put it into place. So just take another pin and just pin it, secure it into place. And I'm just going to comb it. So just comb it, make sure everything is well proper. Get some of your spray and just spray it into place. So this part now, just watch what I'm going to do. We are turning this hair into like a work of art. So just watch what I'm doing. You can do either part depending on what you want to do. Maybe one of these days we can do that. Let me know in the comment section if you want us to just like kind of do like the finger waves on it. So now I think I will take it slowly for you to see what I just did. So take it like that, okay? Twirl it into your hand just like that and then pin it into place. Okay, you don't need any technique for this. All you have to do, just wrap it. So watch this second one that I'm doing now. Make sure that the hair is quite combed. So just kind of hold it like that, wrap it. That's it. Hold it in place, get your pin and just pin it down. You can see I'm not pinning it inside, I'm just using it to hold it down. Okay, the more you do this, the more you become better at it. Just roll this just like that. Roll it in your hand, hold it, get a pin and just pin it into place. That's it. So this one now, just take it. So what we are doing, we don't want the line to show. So I'm just spraying it to just comb it into back, just like that. So now I'm just going to just do it now. Now you know what you need to do now. So we don't want to waste time. I don't like wasting time. If you think this video is too quick for you, let me know. Maybe the next video we can slow it down. So just pin it into place. Now this side is done. We are going to move to the other side. It has been a while I haven't posted because I've been so busy with work and my online business. I have a lot of videos that I've done for YouTube. You know how it is, like editing the videos. Doing the videos is nothing for me. I can do it in 15 minutes. It's putting it together, because I like to put it together so that you'll be able to watch it properly and recreate it and put this voice that I'm putting. I just don't want to do it without putting the voice. Sometimes I do it without the voice, but bear with me. But I will try, because a lot of you like the voice one. So now, just twist it, okay? I will slow it down for you if you think it's too fast here now. So just watch what I'm doing now. Just wrap it into your hand. Just wrap it like what I'm doing now. Twirl it. I just want you to watch what I'm doing now while I slow it down. Just pin it into place. Now that that's done, this is the last one. What do you think? Like, I want to see comment. I want to see heart, anything you want to. I just want to see thumbs up. I like this hairstyle as well. So that's it. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. It's a fabulous hairstyle. This can be for any event, especially for wedding. This is going to be superb for wedding. When you're done, this is it. So now I'm going to teach you something, okay? How to hide the pin. We're going to hide the pin. So we're just going to take the pin. Now when we know we are done, we spray it into place. After spraying into place, we're just going to take the pin out like that. Just reposition it, and then we're just going to start pinning it into place. Now we just wait a little bit. Wait for the hair to dry. When it's dry, get your pin and just pin it into place like what I'm doing now. So we take the pin, we push it. Try and use the same color as the hair. Just push it. You don't need any like technique for this. You can just push it inside the hair like what I'm doing now. Just push it. Make sure that like the one that is coming out is not coming out. Just push it in. Push it so that it can hold. Don't just like do it. Push it in properly, because we don't want it falling out. Get any accessory of your choice and just pop it on it. This is a fabulous hairstyle. If you've watched this video up to now, thank you so much for coming to watch my videos. I have something for you down the description below. It's a video called how to do the sweep. So if you don't know how to do the sweep, I have a video for you in the description below, and for my website as well. Anything you know. We're going to be doing a master class very soon, and if you are interested, let me know. This is the style we are going to be doing for the master class, and it's going to be live on live model. And I want to teach as many people that want to learn how to style. I want to teach them how to style like me, because when I was learning how to style, if I see things like this that I'm giving you guys for free on YouTube,